Yo guys, I am playing this. I am playing Greenville after so fucking long time. It's been 3 years since I played Greenville the last time. Dude, the map is so changed. The map is so changed. I think I have some colors. Dude, the map is so different. Oh, these are the old clothes I buy. Dude, this girl was never here. Dude. This girl. What?
We're broken up.
Dude, guys, I am so excited to play this game again. I haven't played this for years. Dude, is there new colors? Is there new colors? Dude, I haven't played this for years. Oh, what? Wow, there's a new cordial. Wow, wow. New game pass. Wow. New game passes. There's also an update. This just got on my recommend. There's now the radio, electric, and also the classic. The store. Oh my god, I haven't played this game for so fucking long. Which can we buy? Let's go first club. Okay. Oh wow. I'm also eating, by the way, so if I sound stupid. Oh my god. There's new security cards. But I wish they give you security game pass. I'll still buy it though. I know. My game crashed. Oh, they fixed the crash. This game is so good now. They fixed the crash. This game is so fucking good again. This game is so good. Dude, this game is so good already. I am so excited, dude. I am so fucking excited. I cannot zoom out. Really? Okay. Never mind. I was doing the. I have never imagined a. Wow. Is that real? Is that real? New part of map? This thing was never. This place. Oh, that's the homes. I think I already saw that. Let's go there. This thing was never there. Dude, new part of map? Dude, this game is so fucking online. Dude, and there's houses I can see. Let's go to the burger. No, let's go to the Burger King. I mean. No, this is what I hate. Like your game crashes. No, like this is what the fuck I mean. Your game crashes. That's what I mean, dude. Your game crashes. This is what I mean by my internet. Well... Say something before you understand me, dude. Do you have any pictures? I don't. Great. But still it's still I'll rate it a. Alright, so I'll rate this game a 10 out of. No, I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. Yeah, I'll rate it a 7 out of 10 because of the so many updates. Alright, now we're gonna do the sandy shores. Sandy shores. Looks realistic. Oh wow, that's a good game. Oh wow. Alright, what can you do with this punch command? Can you kill this stupid? Wait, why does it help? Wait, we cannot kill people. Oh man, this is not fun. We can. What the heck? What do guys? At my opinion, this is whole black. Just doesn't make. Oh, it kinda. Oh, it's a blue. Why is the phone a free model? I kinda don't like that the phone is a free model. How do you? This is not the fake. Oh. Oh my. This is definitely the real. This is definitely the real one. We're gonna view some guns and the tools in this. Oh wow. Oh wow. SSPD 1A9. Okay, that looks nice. Oh. Okay, nice GUI game. This is a flashlight. Oh, it works. This is a clipboard. You can roleplay finding people. This is a pepper spray. Does it work? I don't know. I'm clicking. But this is a detain tool. This is a handcuff. This is. This is the search tool. Oh, that's nice. This is the betoon. This is the taser. This is the stop sign. This is the slow sign. Oh, there's a comb. Oh, you can put comb. That's nice. You can do. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. I will rate this a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Let's rate this 9 out of 10. Let's go to the next game. This is the last one game. This is the last game. Bird. What? 4 out of 10. I'll give 4 out of 10 because the GUIs are nice, but you cannot even wear any uniform, or these are free models. RIP.